Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sanjeet Kumar Singh. I completed my Ph.D. from Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, specializing in the field of acoustic metamaterial under the supervision of Dr. Santanu Bhattacharya. I am extremely grateful to have been awarded this prestigious IGST Industrial Postdoc Fellowship, which has opened a new avenue for my postdoctoral journey. This fellowship is not only uh, only give you the opportunity to do the industrial research, but it also acts as a bridge between two vibrant research culture, Indian and Germany, and it empowers young researchers like me to engage in meaningful research and collaboration. As the part of this prestigious fellowship, I am hosted by Airbus Ottobrunn, Germany, where my host mentor is Dr. Elmar Bonaccurso. He is an expert in aerocaustics and advanced materials.
Hello, everybody. My name is Elmar Bonaccurso. I'm a material scientist at Airbus Central R&D. And it's now 1 year that Sanjeet Kumar has joined us. And with the IGSTC postdoc fellowship.
At Airbus, my research was focused on enhancing the acoustical performance of the liners using 3D printed metamaterial technology. This work addresses 5 critical challenges. First one, achieving effective noise attenuation in the lower frequency range. The second, meeting stringent weight constraints for aerospace application. The third one, ensuring seamless integration with its existing engine component. The fourth one, maintaining adaptability to next generation engine architecture. And the fifth one, delivering solutions that are commercially viable. The acoustics liner, which is integrated with the aircraft engine. And this is the sample of these liners which we use to characterize the acoustical performance using the impedance tube test. And this acoustic liner is working very effectively in the range of more than 1000 hertz. You can see this is the experiment result. But below the 1000 hertz, it is not effective as in this region. So our work is to challenge this region, keeping all the challenges in our mind. By carefully design this metamaterial, and we integrated this metamaterial with the existing acoustics liners, and the proposed idea and our proposed acoustic liner we tested with the help of acoustic impedance tube test, and we successfully achieved or successfully shift this acoustic signature towards the lower frequency range up to 38%. We successfully achieved our milestone by keeping all the factors, all the challenges in our mind.
The project Sanjeet worked on together with us is really relevant for Airbus, for our next aircraft, because the constraints and the regulatory rules for aircraft to fly over inhabited areas become more and more strict. We need to reduce noise. We need to reduce noise to protect the people that live in those areas. And therefore, the project of engineering acoustic liners to reduce the noise even more, even to lower frequencies that are most disturbing to people, this would really be a big achievement at the end of our development project.
This fellowship is a beautiful milestone in my career. It provided me international exposure, industrial research experience, and collaborative platform to transform innovative idea into impactful research. I had the academia research experience, but this industrial experience give me extra edge in near future to go or by keeping both the perspective and do the research.
I'm very grateful to IGSTC that allowed Sanjeet to join us for this year, and we're looking forward to further collaborating with IGSTC. The experience is that it's always very skilled, very extrovert people that they are selecting for this fellowship. And it's also an enrichment always to welcome these postdocs, to integrate them in our team, and we usually have a great time together. And I must say this year passed very quickly. Sanjeet worked on a number of interesting things for making our acoustic liners more performing. It was a very successful collaboration, I would say. I hope that we were able to provide Sanjeet a flavor of what it is doing research in an industrial environment, opposite to an academic environment. There are a number of common things that you do, common approaches, but in some cases also very different approaches. Sanjeet not only worked on his project while he was here, but he also supported us in other projects that we had running for evaluating acoustic insulating materials, acoustic liners. And so he also did more than was expected from him by his fellowship, but he really became part also of our daily working. And Sanjeet, it was a really great pleasure to having you here, hosting you in our labs, in our facility. And what I can say, I personally wish you all the best for your future career, be it in academia, be it in an industrial environment. And since research never ends and our project has not completely ended, I am really hopeful that we have chances also in the future of working together. Okay. Yeah. Personally, I also think that the IGSTC postdoc program is really a very useful initiative because it allows already finished students or finished scientists or scientists with a PhD to get an industrial exposure. And this is very useful since most PhD students at the end, they will be working for industry and not in academia. So again, IGSTC, very well done.
I highly recommended to take this opportunity and explore that how industry research is working, how industry target the problem, how industry have the problem, and how you can give the solution. Because in academia, the research is totally different from industry. So that is the good platform. You can learn a lot. You always keep in mind the both perspective, academia and industry, and it will give you extra edge to understand both the perspectives at the same time.